Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jackson Chemist and welcome back to my channel, where today is the first installment of Experiments and Explosions. Now, I love chemistry and I love setting things on fire. I'm such a pyro, and today my first experiment for you is definitely a fire one. Before we get started and I tell you any more details about this, do not try this at home. If you do, you're crazy and insane, and I do not support that at all. So what I'm going to try and do today is get paraffin wax to self-ignite. What? Things don't just spontaneously combust, but that's what I'm going to show you today. First thing I need is goggles. The next thing I need is definitely a pair of gloves. And the last thing I need is obviously my flame-resistant lab coat. In case any fire gets on me or near me, this thing will protect me and my body and my clothing from the fire. For this experiment, I'm gonna need some test tubes, beakers, but most importantly, I'm gonna use my blowtorch. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my paraffin wax to boil. Paraffin wax boils at around 370 degrees Celsius. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my test tube with the boiling paraffin wax and stick it in my water and see what happens. That was amazing. So what happens here is as soon as I put my really hot test tube into my water, the glass actually cracks at the bottom. Water shoots in and immediately turns into vapor, pushing out the paraffin wax into like tiny little droplets, and as soon as those tiny little droplets hit the air, boom, we have a fire. Because anytime you have a source of fuel, you treat it with oxygen, you get a huge, beautiful fire, and you also create carbon dioxide and water in the process, along with a ton of heat, because look at this beautiful flame. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like or go hit that subscribe button. What are you still doing here? Get out of here. Go explore.